So I usually don't do this type of reviews. I'm a little frustrated with this thing, and I'm gonna tell you why. Bought it back in June, yeah. A month after I bought it, the belt broke. And when I mean broke, when I say broke, I don't mean like it worn out. It literally snapped. So I had to run back to Tractor Supply and purchase a new belt, which has been working fine since then. Then after the new belt was replaced, about 2 months later, the starter solenoid broke. So I went to the local parts store, O'Reilly's, and I bought a new solenoid. Okay, so I figured that, shit happens. And now today, this cable breaks. So the safety switch is not engaging, so the thing doesn't start. So I had to jump the safety switch of the seat to be able to start it and get it here so I can work on it. And not only that doesn't work, you see it says empty. Well, it's not. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 things that broke in the first 4 months since I purchased it. And granted, I use it a lot. That's not acceptable for a $3,299 machine. So I'm gonna call Bad Boy today, see what they say. I'm not speaking bad of the company yet. I hope that they send me a replacement cable. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. You can see right here the cable broke. So I don't know if I just got a lemon and the rest of their machines are good, but my experience with this one is starting to get frustrated. So I'll call them today and see what they say. Like I said, I'm not talking bad about the company. I haven't contacted them yet, but this is my experience so far. A bit more to this video before I posted it. So just remove the bolt that holds the cable. I was expecting something a little bit better design than this, but basically the cable just wraps around a bolt and then you tighten up the bolt, and the only thing holding it is, or like the only thing keeping it together, is the cable itself. It's not stranded cable, so it's not even cable, it's a wire. So I will say that that's not exactly the best design ever. So like I said, I still gotta call the company and find out what they're gonna say. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first one with a broken wire that hold for the safety brake, the park brake. So I get the replacement cable. I came up with this little conjunction. This should allow the cable to push and pull on the parking brake, and this is how I made it. Basically, I took a hacksaw, cut the end of it, drill a hole through it, and we're about to figure out if it's gonna work or not. The pad seems to be working fine. Let's see if I can get you where the cable is. Where is it? Okay, right there. There's the cable. Right where my fingers are. See it? And under, I just applied that little piece of hacksaw blade And right now it's all the way down, so it should not start. Nothing. And now I'm gonna lift it up. And like I said, it's a patch. It's a patch, so we gotta take it easy on it. Let me start it up again. There you go. So patch it up. Hopefully it holds until Bad Boy sends me a replacement cable. And like I said, I still gotta deal with that phone call and find out if they are going to just send me the cable or they're gonna be difficult and tell me that I gotta go to repair shop authorized by them and all that stuff. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was useful for you. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, like, it's a crappy video complaining about a product, but shoot, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, this is my personal experience so far, and I'm not happy. Thanks for watching.